What are the other ways to pay with Cash App apart from a linked card?
Hello there. Today we're going to talk about the various ways you can make payments with Cash App, a popular digital payment platform. It's a common perception that you can only use Cash App with a linked bank card, but that's not entirely accurate. In fact, there are several other ways you can pay with Cash App. Let's explore these alternatives.
What is the traditional way to pay with Cash App?
First off, the most common way to pay with Cash App is to link a debit or credit card to your account. This is a convenient and direct way to draw funds from your bank account. But remember, there are other ways to pay with Cash App too.
Can I pay with my Cash App balance?
Absolutely. If you've received money through Cash App or have added funds to your Cash App account, it creates a Cash App balance. You can use this balance to make payments, similar to how you'd use a regular bank card.
What about direct deposits?
Cash App allows you to receive direct deposits from employers, the government, and other sources. This means that your paycheck or tax refund, for example, could be directly deposited into your Cash App account and then used to make payments.
Can I use Bitcoin for payments?
Surprisingly, yes. Cash App supports Bitcoin transactions. You can buy, sell, deposit, and withdraw Bitcoin with the app. If you have Bitcoin in your Cash App account, you can also use it to make payments. As we've seen, while linking a bank card is a common method of payment on Cash App, it is far from the only option. With the ability to use your Cash App balance, receive direct deposits, and even make payments with Bitcoin, you have a wide variety of options at your disposal. We hope this video has given you a broader understanding of how you can use Cash App. Stay tuned for more insights and tips about digital payment platforms.